Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start right away by confirming model and battery level because resets vary by model. Once done, make sure you know the Wi-Fi name and password. You'll rejoin the network. Power down the unit, remove the faceplate or battery using a paperclip if needed, and wait 10 seconds. You're intentionally interrupting power to clear transient faults. Keep the phone beside you. You'll use it to reconfigure settings immediately after the power cycle. Next, perform the factory reset sequence for your Nest Doorbell so it forgets old configs. You press and hold the reset pin or button for 10 to 15 seconds. Watch the LED for a solid color or rapid blink and listen for a tone. Those are intentional confirmation cues. Once the LED indicates reset, release the button. Immediately open the Nest app and choose Add New Device because the unit broadcasts setup mode briefly, and you must capture that window to pair successfully. You finish by rebinding the doorbell to your account. Scan the QR code or select the device name in the app, then follow prompts to join your Wi-Fi. If pairing fails, reboot your router and move closer to the doorbell. Try again within 2 minutes because setup mode times out. If you still can't connect, check battery level or power, then perform another factory reset only after those checks. That single troubleshooting tip, reboot network first, fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.